nagpakilala, pinababayaran po sa inyo eh.
Sige lang po.
Opo.
Okay lang.
Ay, hello po. Magandang hapon po. Kayo na po ba si Ma'am Leia Ginto? Kasi ma'am, meron kasi ma'am pinapadala pong parcel dito sa inyo.
Kayo na po kagaling.
Po?
Kayo na po galing.
Ano po eh, hindi po nagpakilala, pinababayaran po sa inyo eh.
Sige lang po.
Opo.
Okay lang naman.
Okay
Mi,
lang po.
gumising ka.
Ay siya, sige po, i-open ko lang ma'am kasi po dito po inilagay ha.
Mi, gumising ka, Mi. 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 Tayo dyan.
Ayan, so Ma'am Leia, happy birthday, ma'am. Ayan, dito ka muna.
Mi, gumising ka.
Ayan, at dahil ang ito po ang balloons para po sa inyo. Ayan, at saka po, kalaga na po kayo ng bouquet of flowers with a bouquet of chocolates para po sa inyong birthday today.
Ginawa ko pong... Mami.
Ayan. At yun po, babasahin ko lang po yung message po. May nagpakatin po ng surprise po ngayon po birthday po ito.
Pating na pating eh.
Hello, Daddy. Happy birthday. Surprise! I know you didn't expect something like this, but I did it for you. I did it because I care, even though we're so far apart. Sorry if this is all I could manage, but I just want you to be happy on your special day. 2 years from now, we'll be together and we'll finally meet face to face. For now, we just have to be patient. But I want to say thank you for making me special, for all the efforts you put in to make me happy. Yes, we've had our arguments and misunderstanding, but we always choose to stay with each other. I know it's hard, and this is my first time being in this kind of relationship. But I always tell you, I will always choose you. I know the distance makes things complicated, but I believe in us, and I'm willing to wait, no matter how long it takes. We're building something real, and I'm proud of that. I want to keep growing with you, learning more about each other every day. You mean so much to me, and I'm thankful for every moment we share, even from afar. The challenges only makes me more sure that this is worth it. Our love and connection are what truly matter, and no amount of distance will ever change that. I'm happy for you, always, and I'll keep supporting us through every obstacle. Happy birthday, Daddy. I love you more than words can say. And I can't wait for the day we'll finally be together. Until then, I'll keep choosing you over and over again. You're worth every moment of this week. Ayan. So ngayon po, may idea naman po kayo at sa mga oras po na ito ay natutulog po ang nagpadala po ng surpresa para po sa inyo. So ano po ba yung gusto niyo pong sabihin para po sa kanya?
Kay Mami.
Kay Mami, sobrang thank you. Sobrang surprise ako. And hihintayin ko yung 2 taon. I will always choose you to make up you.
Thank you.
Ayan. At ngayon po ay inyo na po natanggap ang napaka-bongga at napakaganda pong sorpresa ni Ma'am para po sa inyo. So kaya naman po sir, once again po, happy birthday!
Thank you po. Thank you po. Salamat po. Thank you.
Ayan sir, dahil birthday niyo po, awitan ka po namin ng happy birthday.
Ayan. So, sir, once again po, happy birthday! Ayan. At meron pa rin po talagang sorpresa si ma'am para po sa inyo. Habang wala po siya, ay ito muna po ang ipinadala niya para sa inyo. Ayan. Yan muna po si ma'am for now. Ayan. So kami lang po ay magpapakilala para po sa inyo. Kami po ang Rain Surprise Delivery all the way from Barangay Calicanto, San Juan, Batangas. At kayo po ay binabati po namin ng happy birthday!